Hey guys, I'm back. I actually finished the journal, not intentionally. I just got it tied with a piece of ribbon. Whoops. And I just got it slipped through, where the signature's tied in. But there's the cover. It's all blinged out. Okay. I got my little bag and a decorated tag here instead of a traditional envelope. Okay. And I've got lace on every page, different forms of lace. Got a belly band that I made out of a time card and a tag. They can be journaled on. And there's lace on the bottom. I just got it, the lace part folded up. Okay. And some writing space. More writing space. This is a little flip up envelope. There's nothing in there. But I put it on as a pocket. Okay. It kind of turned out a lot more blingy than what I was expecting. I hope you guys are doing well today. There's pocket and another little tag that I've sewed around, but as you can see, I kind of got some of the sewing a little wonky, but that's okay. Goes in the junk journal, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Writing pages. A pocket made out of book page. And another little tag. I think dyed papers turned out pretty with the journal. Belly band and a large journaling card. This is just a pocket, and it's got just a little journaling card in here that I made in this part of the pocket. Oops. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Okay. Looking for the hole. There it is. Okay. And then it's also another little pocket. And I've got one of those flip-up tag booklet things that I made in a previous video. Another page. A tuck spot with a tag. There's nothing in that pocket. I got another little simple journaling card. And a little torn book page pocket. And that's just the middle. And this Midori style, so it comes out. The other part of that little pocket that's just got a small journaling card in it. Another one of the envelope things, and it has a pocket in the back. I don't have anything in that one. So you could technically do that. Oh, my pocket came undone. You grab a teeny weeny bit of the Nuvo. Okay, there we go. There we go. That's nice and fixed. Sorry if my head was in the way. There we go. And put this in there. This is just a little paper clip that I embellished. Another pocket with a tag. Another belly band and a card. Okay. Another one of those. It's a double pocket. There's a pocket in the back too. It's just made out of book page and long. There we go. Scrapbook paper in the back to be written on. But yeah, there's a pocket back here too. Another tuck spot and a tag. And this is a little palette belly band. And these are little sticky back border stickers or whatever. I thought could be used somewhere. If anybody wanted to use them. Okay, I'll just put it in there like that. Sticking out both sides. And just a little embellishment right there. And then I got a belly band in the back with a notebook with some of the leftover dyed papers and just made out of a ombre card, which I didn't really embellish because she's already quite chunky. So, but yeah, there she is, all done. And that's what she looks like. The back, of course, is just plain. But yeah. So I'll probably have her for a giveaway for next month. And the next thing that I'm going to be working on is a ephemera holder. Using up the rest of my, pretty much the rest of my Tim Holtz paper from the French Industrial kits. But it's going to be like a Z-fold, zigzag fold, so I have room in the front and the back, and where I'm going to attach them, there'll be pockets and stuff in there too. So that's what I've got planned coming up. So this one I will do on camera because I gotta figure out the pockets and all that good stuff. So forgive me, I'm actually standing up because it's a little easier right now to stand up. But anyway, I shall see you guys back here really soon, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.